Today I'll be talking about a topic which is called abundance versus scarcity. What's the difference? What is abundance? Abundance is actually believing that everything is in full capacity. Everything has so many in this world. Like, it's not just one piece, it's not scarce, it's a lot in this world. So this is the meaning of abundant or abundance, okay? This is the meaning. So I think that everyone should live in abundance. I try to live in abundance and feel the abundance because actually it's good for your health and it's good for you actually. It's good energy, it's good vibe, it's good, it's good for you. For example, when you go to a shopping mall or something, this is just the example that I have. I'm not trying to be materialistic, but anyways, um, actually, abundance doesn't only involve in the material stuff. It could be anything. So when you go to a shop and you feel like clothes are a lot, it's abundant, it's everywhere. So you have a chance to get something. You have a chance in this world to get something. It's not scarce. And there is a chance for you. There's always a chance for you. There is a chance for you to get, for example, let's say the clothes you want or the blouse you want, or even there's a chance for you to get success. There's a chance for you to get money. It's abundant, it's not scarce. Because when you feel abundant, you will maybe I think I saw a lot of videos about this and I've learned about the law of abundance, because it's actually a law, and it's very, very related to the law of attraction. We all know the law of attraction, the secret, and what's not. So, so it's related. Like if you feel abundant, you will attract more stuff that you like because you don't feel scarce. You feel like everything that you want you can get. Like this is basically it. Like it's so many. There are many things in the world. There are many clothes. There are many cars. There are many houses. There are many, many. And everything and every person living on this earth will get some. You'll get your chance. It's not scarce. So feel that, live in full abundance, and see how life is so amazing. Thank you for watching.